So this is KlymaxERP, and what I'm going to take you through is the hospital model. Now the hospital model is designed to take care of hospital management, clinics, medical centers, anything where treatment is done. This can be used for it. So I'll just quickly run you through some of the features. Now, generally, we have a hospital management features. We have an accounting system that is inclusive, and then we have a payroll system that you can use to process the payroll of your staff. So basically, those are the three components that we put together in our hospital management model. So I'll just quickly run you through some of the core features. So one of the first thing that you can monitor as the owner of the hospital is we have the clinical dashboard that loads or that has a live activity, will tell you total patients, current admissions and stuff like that. Will give you a summary of the hospital at every point in time. So that's the first feature that you can use as the owner. We have administrative data where you can set up your services and charges, insurances, and then we have ICD-10 codes, which is used in diagnosis. Then after that, we have patient record management. So we have a list of patients that you can have here. We have a list of patients. You can also import from Excel. You can check whatever. You can edit their details and blah, blah, blah. So that's that. Then we have the nurses station where you can book appointments. You can take care of your walk-ins. So if somebody walk in, you want to do a couple of texts, you can come down here, and then if the person is coming for laboratory test, you can select the number of tests that the person wants to undergo, and then print a receipt, and that is that. Or the person is coming for a medical procedure, either from internal either from an internal or external hospital referrals. The person can just walk in and then can be taken care of. Then we have patient log. When somebody walks into the hospital, this is where that happens. You either take the person's details, or if the person is an existing patient, you can just log the person in for that days. Just by looking for the person's name, you search for the person's name, and then you can check the person in for that day. Then we have the hospital nurses station. This is where vitals are taken. So if you come here, you see that we can take vitals like weight, height, temperature, BP, and all that can be taken from here, and this will be automatically sent to the consulting room, and then a bill automatically created for it. We have ward management, wards movement. We have billing center. These are where bills are prepared. So for every patient that comes, you can have access to the bills as and when they are added. So bills are here. You can add more bills. You can print receipt. You can check daily reports. Then we have payments. This is where payments can be made through this part. You can make payments. Then consultation. This is where consulting happens. So whichever patient is logged in will appear under the consultation, doctor's consultation. So you see the list of patients here, so the doctor can click to consult, and you have other services, theater bookings, birth certificate, excuse duty, medical report, cause of death, appointment, blah blah blah, and things like that. You are able to do all those things from here. Then, so let me just take you to the consulting screen. So you come here, this is today's visit. You can see the visit date. You click on it, and then you can diagnose. You can do provisional diagnosis, final inquiry diagnosis. You can order lab test. The doctor can order lab test from here. By coming here, select the lab test to be done, and then it's done. The doctor can prescribe, you can see here, and then the doctor can admit. Once somebody is admitted, the person becomes an inpatient, so that details will appear here. So if you come to inpatient consultation, you're able to do a couple of things here as well. So over here you can do consultation, you can do 48-hour chart, you can do admission note, management plan, nurses note, fluid balance, treatment, progress report, fitness, BB chart, blood transfusion, feeding report, Albertis regime, sliding, all that. You can do all these things from here. You can refer the person to a different place. You can change a bed. You can do a lot more here. So that's that. You can do theater booking, birth certificate, blah blah. All these things can be done when the person is on admission as well. Then you come to investigation. So we have tests, we have laboratory tests, we have radiology. So you go to the lab. All the labs have been ordered by how do you call it? Has been ordered by a doctor who appear here. So results can be appropriately uploaded from here. So whatever test that has been ordered will show automatically, and then everything will be done accordingly. We have dispensary. This is where medicine is dispensed. So once the quantity of medicine to be dispensed has been entered, a bill is automatically created that goes into the patient's account. Then we have stores management. We have a standard stock control system that can be done here. Stock management, all your consumables, everything can be managed here. We have accounts where your account is managed. You have financial expenditure, bank list where your bank transaction. We have staff, department staff, and then we have payroll processing, and then we have HR reports. Many of them, you can see HR report. We have so many of them. We have employee attendance, leave management, and all that here as well. Then finally, we have other reports. So we have report on stores, and then we have report on hospital. Come to hospital reports. There are so many of them, but we've categorized them into clinical dashboard. So you click here, it takes you to the dashboard. You come here, patient record. So this will give you all these reports. You can see all patient, insured patient, OPD register, statement of outpatient, all the rest. So many much more reports are there. So category by category, you get all your reports. So if you need more details, you can contact us on 0244758090. Thank you for watching.